Ready to ditch the trading chaos and unlock a world of streamline, analysis and execution? Let's connect your Exness account to TradingView and trade smarter, not harder. First, you will need to log into your Exness personal area through their website. Make sure you're using a real trading account, not a demo account, as TradingView integration isn't available for demo accounts. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings of the trading account you want to connect. This is usually found by clicking on the gear icon next to the specific account in your dashboard. Look for a section labeled something like Trading Platforms, API Access, or similar. The exact wording might vary, but you're looking for a section that manages connections to external platforms. Now, head over to TradingView. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one once logged in. Open any chart you wish. At the bottom of your chart, look for the Trading Panel button. Click on it. A list of brokers will appear. Scroll until you find Exness and click on its logo. A pop-up window will appear asking you to authorize TradingView's access to your Exness account. Enter your Exness account login details carefully and click Allow. After successful authorization, you should see a confirmation message within TradingView indicating that your Exness account is now connected. You can now place trades directly from the TradingView chart. Explore the trading panel at the bottom of your chart to manage your positions, set orders, and monitor your account balance, and that's it. You've successfully connected Exness to TradingView, unlocking a powerful new way to trade. Happy trading!